Welcome to CrewStart, Creating Daily Time Reports. In this video, we are going to show you how a designated user can log times for their department. CrewStart is part of Sargent-Disc's Digital Production Office suite of software, designed to increase efficiency and reduce the cost and carbon footprint on production. A time report is a report used for logging the time and attendance each day for a specific department. There is a designated time logger for each department, who can log times for the entire department. Some departments may have more than one time logger. In order to create a time report, first of all, log into CrewStart using your username and password. Click on the Time Reports tab at the top of the page. You may see a list of existing reports. These are either fully approved, marked with a green tick, pending approval, marked with an orange clock, or still at the editing stage, marked with an orange pencil. In the top right, there is a yellow icon you can use to open a filter for reviewing time reports. You can filter according to department, week commencing, or a specific day. To clear the filters, click Clear Filters. To create a time report, click on the Create Time Report button in the top right. Enter the date for the day you wish to log. Choose the department you would like to log times for. You may have one department to choose from, or several. Next, select the rules which will be used to calculate overtime. There will most likely only be one option to choose from. Check Include Dailies if you wish to include all daily crew members in the time report. If you do not include them at this stage, you can add them later. Check Bank Holiday if the day is a public holiday. At this stage, you should enter generic times for the entire department. In the next window, you will be able to edit times for individual crew members within the department. Enter Time In. This is when the crew members arrive to start work. Enter Unit Call. For shooting crew, this is the standard unit call. For non-shooting crew, this is the expected start time for the department. Please enter a unit call even for non-shooting crew, as they may have to contribute half an hour pre-call time as part of their deal. If in doubt, enter the same time for Time In and Unit Call. Enter a meal start and meal end if applicable. Please enter Unit Wrap for shooting crew. Unit wrap is not required for non-shooting crew. Please enter a timeout. This is the time the crew left work. If the department is shooting crew that day, please check the box Shooting Crew. Next, you need to enter in the working day type. The options are Standard Working Day, Continuous Working Day, Standard Continuous Working Day, or Rigging Day. Next, you can enter what the crew are actually doing on the day, such as working or having a turnaround or travel day. If they have any travel time over and above 30 miles from the base of production, you can enter it in travel time. You can also enter a unit and location if desired. When you are ready, click Create Time Report. Now you can see a time report loaded with all the members of the department. If you checked Include Dailies in the previous tab, they will also all be there. At the top of the page, you can edit the date of the time report if necessary. You can also mark the whole day as a bank holiday. Within the table, there are two tabs, Times and Overtime. The Times tab shows the crew times that you entered in the previous window. These are currently the same for all departmental members. If you did not include the dailies in your initial time report, you can click Add Team Member and select the dailies you wish to add. You can at this stage edit individual crew times by clicking on the required cell and typing in a new time. You can also drag the field down to fill the fields below it. You can mark individuals as shooting crew, or you can mark some individuals as working on a public holiday. For example, certain members of the department may be abroad during local public holidays. You can check the upgrade box to request an additional upgrade if required. For example, a crew member needs to receive a higher rate for the day. You can sort by columns. You can add crew members into groups if there are subdivisions in the department. For example, if a department was split into a set and workshop group, you could sort by group, edit the time of one group and drag down, and then edit the time for the other group and drag down again. These groups will carry over into the next time report created. If a row is highlighted in red, it means that the times you have entered have triggered overtime payments. You can view the overtime hours in the Overtime tab. This will show you the amount in hours of each type of overtime the crew has incurred. Do not forget to save your time report. You can also download the time report into Excel by clicking Export in the top right. If you wish to delete crew members, check the box on the left and then Delete in the bottom right. If you have deleted crew members, or you did not include the dailies in your initial time report creation, you can click Add Team Members and then select who you want to add. You can save the time report and come back to it later if you are not finished editing. When you are ready for the production to approve the time report, click Submit for approval. Once a report has been submitted for approval, it will be marked with an orange clock. You can come back to the time report at any point before it has been approved in order to edit it. In that case, click Edit. As well as creating a time report from scratch, you can also copy it from a previous time report. Click the copy icon next to the time report you wish to copy and enter the date for the new time report. You can then edit the report as usual. You can only copy time reports within the same department. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in using CrewStart on your project, please contact sales@sargent-disc.com. If you have any support questions, please contact support@sargent-disc.com.